Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit text using Mailchimp's custom templates. This is essential if you want to personalize pre-made templates for your email campaigns while keeping their professional design intact. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your email campaigns and templates. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on the item labeled Campaigns. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this expanded menu, select Email Templates. This will show you all your saved templates and any work-in-progress campaigns you've been working on. Now at the top of the page, you'll see a menu option called Mailchimp Templates. Click on this to view the full library of templates that Mailchimp has to offer. These are pre-designed layouts you can customize to fit your brand and message. Now scroll through the available campaign templates until you find the one you want to edit. Once you've located it, click either Create Email or Create Template, depending on your needs. This action will redirect you to the campaign settings page. Here you'll input key information such as your recipients, sender details, and subject line. These settings ensure your email reaches the right audience with the correct information. To adjust who will receive your email, click on the two settings. This allows you to modify the audience or segments as necessary, ensuring your message is targeted effectively. Next, click on Subject to update the subject line if needed. A compelling subject line is crucial for improving your email open rates. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a preview of your campaign layout. This gives you a visual idea of how your email will appear to recipients. To modify the layout or content, click Edit Design. This takes you into the campaign editor, where you can make detailed changes to both text and images. Now in the campaign editor, click on any content or text block you wish to edit. You can directly modify the text by selecting it, and a formatting menu will appear on the left side of your screen. This customization menu allows you to change fonts, colors, sizes, and alignment to match your branding perfectly. That's how you can edit custom template text in Mailchimp. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, click Save and Exit at the top right corner of your screen. Your edited template is now ready to use for your next email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.